Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to lower the front end of your WPL D12. It's quite simple really. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. So you'll just need to take out the front two screws so you can get access to the electronics bay. And once those screws are out, all you've got to do is pop the little tab just there, and the whole cab should lift off, just like that. So for the purpose of this video, I've took all my electronics out because I'm running aftermarket electronics. It's as simple as just loosening off this screw here and this screw here that hold in the torsion spring, and basically just loosen it off until you get your desired ride height really. On this one, when I've done it, I'll just take them all the way out, but I've adjusted the wheels and everything so it fits nicely in the arches. There you go, you just take them out. It just basically just releases the tension on the spring, so you get a bit of a softer ride as well. And there you have it, just a quick one today. So if you like the video, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll probably be doing a video on how to lower the rear end at some point. That's a bit more than just taking two screws out. Thank you, see you later.